Hi, I'm Emily, Country Director and CEO for Thales in Singapore. Let's start with your wallet. You will likely find at least one credit card with a fine print of Thales SGP at the back. These cards are manufactured in Singapore at our largest global site for our digital identity and security business. The technology that safeguards your identity and, importantly, your money is being innovated in Singapore. Similarly, when you fly, the things we take for granted that keep our journeys smooth and safe, including the flight management avionics, air traffic control, and in-flight entertainment, are produced or maintained in Singapore by Thales. For example, here we have the integrated wide display unit, which is used in the cockpit of many planes, such as the Airbus A350. Seeing the strategic potential of the country with strong and transparent regulation and ease of doing business, Singapore was selected to be Thales' first avionics production site outside of France. Today, Singapore's position as an air hub has grown from strength to strength, and so has our aerospace activities here. Sitting here, I'm in the largest centre for avionics manufacturing and maintenance in the world for the Thales Group. Singapore is a key partner in our innovation and research journey, and I take great pride that we have recently announced that Singapore has been selected to be the location of our new Centre of Excellence for Air Traffic Management, promoting the development of the ATM sector in Asia. With this, we will have over 120 ATM experts located in Singapore in the coming years. We have grown our research capability alongside Singapore's development as an R&D hub. And today, we have over 500 engineers in Thales Singapore in innovation and research. We were able to hire both local and global talents to support Thales activities in Singapore. One emerging area is unmanned systems. Drone technologies have the promise of making our lives easier, but if left unchecked, it can also become a threat. We formed our Dronation team here, which has launched the invented and made here remote ID solution that tracks and coordinates drones to mitigate the risks of airspace conflicts. With this commercial first from Singapore, we hope to further expand our drone activity to include digital flight avionics and urban air mobility solutions. Passengers like you and I are now demanding more choices in entertainment when we travel. Thus, we have in Singapore our in-flight entertainment Cloud Centre of Excellence, which is innovating on new digital projects such as integrating gaming or payment solutions on board to give you more choices when you fly. Singapore plays a very key role in our digital identity and security business, with our largest multi-product manufacturing site, in addition to an engineering competence centre. At our manufacturing facilities here, we employ cutting-edge robotics, digital solutions like AI to automate tasks and improve resource management. We celebrated our 50th anniversary in Singapore just last year, and we look forward to the next 50 promising years.